Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the second class in session live recording with none other than Honorable Master Karua. It's a pleasure to have each and every single one of you here with us today. Excited about today. Today we're going to be having a conversation about leading against the tide.
So the need to get it done. You look around, see the mess, and see we need to do some cleaning. And if it's not you, then who else?
My name is Kadri Humalayal. I'm the Honorary Consul of Estonia in Kenya. I think the major highlight for me, beyond a great speaker like Honorable Karua, is actually the format. I loved the format of the event where all the participants in the room, they had their rightful place. They were not just audience, they were fully participating in the conversations, and there was the opportunity to reflect on what was shared through their own personal life, through their own personal views, and so it was actually this really in-depth conversations, very candid conversations that I think were so genuine and so valuable.
What gets shown to the public is what the media wants you to see. If they're showing you the side of hard tacos only, that's the only part you will know of me. That is why my constituents, who knew me better, kept re-electing me and elected me for consecutive times. They knew the many sides of me. And there's no human being who doesn't have their many sides.
I can say today's event has been exceedingly satisfying to me. The conversations, deep conversations, people have been vulnerable. We put shame aside. We put things on the table that they would not be said in any forum. She has laid her life bare in front of us. We've asked her tough questions, and she has come back by being vulnerable and saying, this is what I went through, this is what I learned, this is what I'm also changing. She said, I'm also changing. And that's really humbling to hear that from her. And beyond that, there has been a lot of conversations within the room. We've met other amazing people who are in the room, who are forward-looking, who want a different future, a better future. And all of us have agreed one thing: this country is our home, and it is our responsibility to make it a better country. And we are going nowhere. We're going to fight for it, and we're going to make sure that this country gets better and better for our children and our children's children.
Against